And this is how it looks stock. Oh. Hey guys, Lexus here, making more videos again. Today guys, we have the Lexus IS 350 and we're gonna be installing some awesome door light. They had good reviews, so without further ado, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, I have the beautiful Lexus IS 250 here. We have the product right here ready to go. Let's do an unboxing real fast. This is going to be a quick unboxing guys, obviously, because it's a very simple product. Like I said, plug and play. You guys already know how I like it. And there we have it. Look at that. Oh gosh, look at that guys. These are the two pods that we're going to be installing. Before you guys ask it, I get this question asked all the time. Links are in the description section, and since people still ask me sometimes, I'll also pin it as a top comment. But look at this guys, this is absolutely beautiful. Plug and play, nothing else. I love this. This is awesome. Looks like a freaking nice projector in there. Easy product, and all we're going to need is a pry tool, aka screwdriver, whatever you require to just remove the cover on the old part. So everything's right here ready to go. We have two because obviously for one door and the other door. Let's get to it. Let's install this bad boy. Alrighty guys, so we have the door right here. We're going to be doing the passenger side door right here first, and obviously here's the actual light that we're going to be replacing and making it look super cool. And since this is a super easy installation, all you're going to need is basically a pry tool like so. Just basically pry this bad boy out, or a screwdriver. As you can see, I'm just going to take it out like that, and bam, you're done. You don't even have to touch the bulb itself guys. That's the beauty of it. You just unplug it right here. Be careful, it might be hot. There we go. Push this tab in, pull it out. You guys already know this tab. This is like a very simple install guys. Let's put the new guy in. And before I even put it in, I just want to compare the two. As you can see, this one has a nice projector, everything like that, but they're extremely similar, extremely identical, and will just fit in there perfectly. As you can see, I'm just going to plug it in right now. Let's put this one down to the side. And you guys saw this was yellow, not really the best quality, but this will make it look super cool guys. Oh, I can already see it turned on. Make sure you click it in place. Everything is good, and I can already see it turned on. And then obviously just push this bad boy back into this housing right here, which is just a click. There we go, and we are golden, and I can already see the Lexus symbol right here. Now let's actually turn off the lights and see how it looks on the floor. Alrighty guys, we have the Lexus right here. We have done this side right here. We have the garage light on, but that's okay because I want to kind of see how it looks in pure darkness and how it looks in kind of like lighting like this. Can it actually show? That's the true test anyway. So let's actually open this bad boy and see how it looks. Oh my gosh, dude, oh my goodness, this is looking so nice. Look at this guys, absolutely beautiful. I love how the Lexus logo looks right there, and it actually looks so OEM, so stock. Really awesome guys. So it's looking really nice. I'm gonna wait till the actual garage door light turns off so you can see, but in the meantime I want to just walk around to the other side and I want to show you how it looks just stock basically. And this is how it looks stock. You guys tell me how it looks, you know what I mean? Do you want just a normal yellow light like this, or maybe even if you change it to a white light like that? And by the way guys, on the back seats of this Lexus, they do not have the lights right there, so you don't have to worry about doing it in the back, but definitely in the front. Yes, it looks awesome guys. The Genesis, you guys already know, has something like this. Everyone that comes to my vehicle to Genesis, they just love that symbol of the Genesis logo that the car produces, and now this Lexus IS has the same symbol guys. And like I said, it looks stock, it looks OEM, and this is such a easy mod, but it produces such a awesome output guys. I love that. That's what I love about this kind of thing. So I'm going to wait till it gets dark and let's see how it looks. All right guys, the garage door light has turned off. As you can see the interior of the car right there. Let's actually open this door and see how it looks. Oh my goodness guys, look at the light output this bad boy puts. Absolutely beautiful. Coming into this project, I did not think it was going to look this great, okay? Because these kind of like easy, quick things are sometimes skeptical, sometimes maybe the details aren't there, maybe it's not bright enough, all that kind of stuff comes in my head, but I just can't get any kind of negative opinion about this at the moment because it looks so beautiful, so OEM. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Like I said, on the Genesis, people ask me all the time, like, whoa, that thing's so cool and stuff like that. And now the owner of this Lexus will definitely love these awesome projector ghost lights. Guys, these are really, really awesome. The links are gonna be in the description below. Look at this, guys. Let me go to the other side. Oh my gosh, I did the driver's side as well. Let's open this bad boy. Oh my gosh. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at this. You come into your vehicle, you have guests come into your vehicle, you open your doors, and bam, they're gonna just be like, whoa, that thing is awesome, guys. And they will never know you spent like 30 seconds installing this, and or they would think that just came with the vehicle. This is awesome, guys. I'm loving this. I can't see anything bad about this, actually. Like, I'm trying to figure out anything bad. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. 5 stars. I'm gonna give this 5 out of 5 because I'm loving the look. I'm loving how easy it was to install, and I know the owner's gonna love this, guys. So, what do you think?
I love it. Oh my god.
It looks cool, right?
Oh my god.
Like, look at the other side too. Let's go to the other side.
They have this features.
In a really high-end cars?
Yeah.
I knew you would like it a lot. Yeah, no problem.
Oh wow.
Yeah. you can't stop staring at it.
I know. And it looks like something that came with the car.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I wanted to make sure that it looks OEM. Yeah.
It looks like something that came with the car.
Yeah. Right?
Yeah, it looks beautiful, man.
Yeah.
Wow.
Alrighty, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Link to purchase the projector lights are going to be in the description section of the video below, and or since people keep asking me, I'm going to leave it in the comment section as well. You saw my reaction. You saw part of my friend's reaction. I should have showed more. It really is like that. It really looks that great, guys, and it's a cool and simple, easy mod that takes no effort, and it's an awesome gift that you can install in your friend's family car, whatever, and they will love it. There's nothing to hate about this mod, and that's what I love about it. And it's easy to install. You guys already know me, plug and play. But with that being said, there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you go for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, can you just share saying thanks for watching and peace.